Hey bestie, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in for a planner sesh. Bestie, in this video, we're going to be doing part 2 of my daily planner series and how to plan in the daily layout from the Happy Planner. So I'm super excited about this, and this time around, we're going to be talking about how to journal in this baby. I think it's going to be a great one, and I have some good tips and ways that you can kind of journal in your planner and how to get your thoughts out. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Okay, bestie, so let's get into it. We have the All the Feels sticker book here. Why? Because we're going to be journaling in the daily layout from the Happy Planner, you guys. I love the daily layout. I feel like it's so versatile and there's so much that you can do with this, like one page, and I thought that journaling was one of the best ways to get the most out of this layout. I really do. I believe that daily journaling could be a fun thing. So we're going to experiment with that today in this video, and I'm going to share with you some of the things that you can journal about in your planner. And y'all have been asking for a video like this, so I thought that we would bring some of that to this video and go ahead and talk about how to journal and some things that you can journal. But I pulled the stickers, even though you do not have to use stickers, you guys. Let me just say that off top. This can totally be a pen only situation or thing, but I like stickers, y'all, and because this layout is pre-printed with some other guides on how to use it, I think stickers are the perfect way to switch that up. So for instance, let me share with you some of the stickers that I'm pulling. I have this double box sticker and it says all the feels and it says write them down here. And that's one thing that I always, you guys, I don't think I really miss a day. I think that's the easiest way to journal. Is just write my feelings, get my feelings out on paper and just release. And so I wanted to put a page, like a spot on this page that signified that, and I think that's so important. Sometimes you need a release, and I feel like our journals are so personal in that aspect because they allow us to release our thoughts, release our feelings, and release like what's on our mind, let go of the weight, And so I wanted to do that as well. But you can also use this box for just to monitor your anxiety or what's causing you stress in your life. You can actually do a little bit of detailing, problem solving with yourself. And sometimes I like to do that too. What caused me the most stress today and everything, and why did it cause me stress, and what can I do to eliminate that stress? Is it something I can control? Is it something that I need to be better at? And so that's another way you can get your feelings out. Another box that I pulled, you guys, was the it says write down 3 things you're proud of about yourself. And I thought this was so important because journaling prompts, you guys, do not forget about journaling prompts. If you don't know where to start, just Google journaling prompts about just any topic. I mean, you can write about anything, you guys. The key point is just to use the power of writing and allowing writing to take you somewhere. Allow writing to take you to a place that you probably didn't think about. Get out the thoughts and ideas. Journal about, like I said, what you're proud of about yourself, about what you love about yourself. But you can journal about what you love about other things, what you love about the people in your life, your job, or something that you're involved in, your hobby. So I just thought that was important. And then, you guys, I pulled a little feeling sticker because I like to notate what I'm feeling for the day, track my mood and stuff. And I thought that one was cute. I also have this little speech bubble that says, what are you grateful for today? Because that brings me to my next point. A gratitude list is so important, you guys. And I would like to suggest that you practice gratitude every day, early in the day too, just to kind of set the tone for the day. Set the tone for a day of gratitude. Be grateful and express why you're grateful about things. And I think having a little list that you can just kind of jot down and just think about what you're grateful for in this life or what's currently happening, I think that's beautiful. And it will kind of set your attitude for the day and just remind yourself hey, I have a lot to be grateful for. I got some things that, some good things that are happening and things that I am happy that are happening to me. I think that's so, so important. And then you can just kind of approach things a little bit different. I know that kind of works for me. And then you guys, on the page, I did pull a little bit of like the little smiley face, and I pulled a quote, you guys, because I think quotes are so powerful. The quotes can give you a perspective that you may not have thought of. And this one in particular, it says, "We need rain to make rainbows." And that is so true. Like, without the bad days, you guys, we wouldn't know what a good day looks like. And I don't know about you guys, but sometimes going through that rain is not easy. Okay, it's not easy. But just having an encouraging word to like lift you out of that and to remind you that better days are coming and that it's going to be worth it, that the rain is worth it, then I mean, it just helps you make it through. So I love putting like any little quotes, and this book has a ton of them, but just putting inspiring quotes in every place that I can find pretty much, and my journal is definitely one of them. And then, y'all, I did pull out some little bullet points to make my little gratitude list. And then I also pulled out this little sticker. It just to notate my self-care, because I kind of covered up the spot that was pre-printed for it on the page. But I wanted to notate that somewhere on there, because I believe on loving yourself. I believe that wholeheartedly, because if you don't pour into you, how can you pour out to everyone else, you know? And you got to take care of you. You have to make yourself a priority as far as like your well-being and things. And so, and only you know what you need, you know, what you really need in life and what you really desire. So giving yourself just a little bit of that. It don't have to be anything extravagant. It can just be something simple, just spending some time with yourself. Just taking a longer shower even can be self-care. And so I just think that's very important to notate and to always prioritize that. So I like to put that in my journal just to kind of like, you know, say, hey, this is what I'm doing today for me, and this is how I'm uplifting myself on, you know, this journey called life, you know. And then, y'all, in this book, it has some of these little typewriter type labels, and one of them says journal, one says gratitude. I know that's like a little redundant, but I wanted to use it. And then two, the planner in me just wants balance. Okay, even though I did not want to decorate this page, I wanted it to be more of an eclectic guide, if that makes sense, almost like a little my own pre-made guided journal. But I wasn't trying to just like deck it all out. You know what I mean? Just make it like a little bit of an eclectic piece of my journal for the day. And I prefer my journal like that a lot of the times. Once I'm writing in it, I just like to add stuff that makes sense. And then if it all matches, it matches. Unlike my planner, if it matches, it matches. If it don't, it don't in my journal. And so for the journal space, I know you're probably wondering, well, we already wrote our feelings down, or we have a space to write our feelings and our thoughts and things. But for the journal place, I love doing this, you guys. I love keeping up with kind of just what happened today and like what's going on in my life. And like, was there something unexpected that happened today? How was my day? Was my day a great day? I mean, somebody might not have asked me how my day was today, but I'm going to ask me how was my day today in my journal, and I'm going to write about it. And so I like to give myself a little space for that. And then I'm just adding in some other little, like, you know, little fun things to the page. As in the person that said that she didn't want to decorate the page, I just thought it was cute to add in just a few more little pieces. And for this little top section, you guys, here's a couple of examples that you can use here. You can put your goals here. You can write 3 goals for the day, or you can write 3 affirmations. And I know for me, I like to like speak positivity in my life and just, you know, speak things that I know God has for me. And so I believe with God, all things are possible. So it's like, yes, I'm going to speak life into me. Life and death is in the power of the tongue. And like what you say to yourself and how you're speaking to yourself, you got to be kind to you. Okay. You got to like proclaim that today is going to be good, that it's going to be a great day, that joy and happiness is a part of your daily life. Like proclaim that. Say that is the life that I live. That's the statement that I'm making. So I believe in that. And so I wanted to put a little place on the planner spread, or the journal spread technically, to share where my affirmations are. And so here I'm going to write in the date, and we're going to start writing this thing, y'all. Because like, I know y'all didn't think I was just going to like put stickers down and not writing it. Of course I was going to write it. And I'm just going to show you that it's no rhyme or reason to this. literally, as far as like how neat I write or anything like that. It's just all about writing, y'all, and journaling and working through whatever it is you need to work through. Don't be afraid to put it on paper. If you're mad, say you're mad. If you're happy, say you're happy. If you are struggling with something, say you're struggling with it, and try to work yourself through that with like journaling about why you're struggling, why it bothers you, and pull all of those thoughts out, So I wrote in my affirmations, and now I'm going to write in about my day and just some of the fun things that happened literally on this day. And just, I guess, y'all, I can give y'all like a little backstory of what I'm writing about while I'm writing it. Is I was just talking about how I got my nails done, and y'all, my nails were so busted, okay? And I don't know about y'all, but like I love the girly things, the pampering things, like they always just kind of refresh me. And so getting my nails done and getting my hair done, that's just a part of my personal self-care that just makes me feel good. I mean, those are things that I can kind of do myself. Like, I'm not a pro at the whole nail thing. My hair, I'm pretty good at my hair, not even gonna hold y'all, but I still like for somebody to wash my head, okay? It's just it's something else about it, okay? It's just something about it. But I'm just writing about that and just my experience at the nail salon and how busted my nails were. And then I also was writing about like how I am honestly so proud of myself for getting some things done, y'all. Like, I have been working and I've been trying my best to like juggle being an entrepreneur and building a business, and also technically being a dual entrepreneur and building another business as in my social media and stuff. And like, y'all, I've been trying my best to like catch up on some things and some of the deadlines and stuff, and I'm trying to catch up on YouTube. And so I'm just really proud of myself, and I'm like cheering myself on, And then another thing that I wrote about was when I went to the mall today. I went to the mall to get some shoes that I needed for an event that I got coming up, and went in there, and y'all, it was a surprise clearance. I didn't get an email or anything about this clearance, and this clearance was going on at Dillard's. I don't know if y'all have a Dillard's in y'all area, but I had one, and they had a bomb clearance, and oh my gosh, I found these shoes that I've been wanting for a while, and they were only a little bit under, were they even $40? I don't even think they were $40. Y'all, I grabbed those shoes so quick and had to get out of there before I bought the whole store, okay? Okay, so for this next part, I decided to write in my feelings and just, like I said, things that are stressing me. I wrote about like where my anxiety is, you guys, because I'm really on a journey of trying not to be anxious, and just, I wrote about how I want to, trust God, number one, but also remember the things that I can control and what I can't control, and I can control my faith in God, and that He's working things out for my good. And so I don't have to be anxious about things. And also, I wrote about just what stressed me today. Like, I mean, life is, still doing his thing or whatever. And so I wrote about what happened, and in a way it's like, yes, I'm proud of myself for my workflow, but I can say that it was still a stressor, because it's like I wanted to get more done. And y'all, that's one of my things. Like, it's like once I'm on, and I'm like, get it done, kid, get it. And it's like when I run out of time during the day, it's like, and I say run out of time, but like there's enough time in the day. It's just I'm still trying to catch up, so sometimes it can feel overwhelming when I haven't yet, but I'm almost there. Then I wrote about the 3 things that I'm proud of. And like I said, my work ethic, like this page was literally about that, because that was just on my brain. Like, be kind to you. What would you tell somebody else that was like stressing about what you be stressing about? What would you tell them? And I decided to tell myself that. And then like, y'all, I cooked a bomb meal for me and my husband. Okay, so I had to brag on me a little bit in my journal. Okay. And then just my intentionality. I've been really good with that lately, of trying to do what I say I'm going to do and be who I say I'm going to be. And so I am super proud of the progress that I'm making. And now to my gratitude list, you guys. I'm super excited because me and my husband, we got some fun things happening and stuff. And I'm just going to give y'all just a little, no, I'm not. I'm going to wait. I'm not gonna tell y'all what's happening, but just a little bit. Y'all can kind of see on the page a little bit of what's happening, but y'all don't know exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm so excited. I cannot wait to share it with you guys when I finally get it all together and stuff. So then, you know, my husband is amazing, and my church family, just really been enjoying them because we've been gathering back together and stuff, and just random group chats with my family, y'all. My siblings are a trip. I love them. And then just thanking God for the gifts he's given me. That's something I've been studying in the Bible, and I just want to be grateful for just recognizing and him showing me those gifts. And then, y'all, for my self-care, yes, I went and got my nails done, but something that I wanted to specifically do for myself was do my hair. And I added another little sticker, and y'all, that's my journaling for the day. Okay, I hope this kind of helped you a little bit to know like what to journal, and then how to like maximize this page, y'all. I put a lot on this page. I put like the today's happenings, my feelings. I put a journaling prompt, a gratitude list, some self-care, some affirmations, and some fun little like quotes and things to just kind of lift me up and stuff. So yes, you guys, I just want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment below if this was helpful. And until next time, I love you, bestie. Bye.